Hello, hello guys. Good morning. So yesterday we saw the HTML structure and HTML structure of how we create HTML websites and all the stuff kind of things. What the requirement. So now I'm going to tell you how to create an HTML page. Okay. So HTML page if you want to create, so we have some kind of like software or some kind of a tool where we can create a HTML page. So we don't want any kind of software to uh, create an HTML or create any kind of web page. If you are using the Windows, so we have notepad or you can install notepad plus plus, it's better. So I'm having a notepad plus plus. Okay, so this is the notepad plus plus. Here directly I can write a design. Okay, fine. So if you went for any other technology like PHP, .NET or Java, so it required some other tool to run it. But if you create HTML website or HTML documentation, so if you want to run that, we need only a browser, any kind of browser. It may be like a Chrome, or Firefox, Opera, Mozilla, anything. So you can directly create, like you can write here code and you can see the output in the browser. So this is the browser. Mm. This is a Chrome browser and you can execute the code directly Chrome. So basically I'm going to tell exactly how to write the code and how to execute code in the Chrome. So first I'm going to start on the how we can write our startup HTML page or basic tag of HTML. So let's go. So I'm going to tell you these are the opening tags. Now I'm going to add one closing tag, right? Every tag has its opening and head, title. These are the main tags. These are the body. Coming to the structure, we can simply say as its basic structure of the HTML element. So we can directly save and you can see execution in our web pages. So now if you write this code also it will be execute. If you not write also it will execute. If you write like this it will execute. So now desktop and HTML. Um, Example 1.html. So if you are going to save, so we can write your own name, file name, and we need to write .html is must. So we can give a name of HTML file in the two ways. We can give as htm or we can give as a directly html. So if you give it unit, so we need to save, right? After save, we store in the desktop somewhere folder. Just if you went for this folder, so we need to double click on that folder, right? So I'm going to open this folder and you can see there is a desktop example1.html. So I open this file in that following path. So as you see in the screen, it's completely in the blank section, right? Means we didn't write anything code in that section. So as you see here is example1.html, right? So if you want to change this example one to your own page name or own website name, or like see this is a and google.com. So Google has created its own title www.google.com. So also we can give your Google's name, same name. I'm going to get www.google.com, right? Need to save it. After saying, just refresh the page. So after refreshing, we can see example will be changed from www, as you see, right? So this is not google.com, right? So we are creating our own. So we'll give my website, like this. Also you can give, just it's kind of a name you can see. So as we went, the name will be going to change, and now so some website is looking like kind of some other things, and different types of the UI. So later we will discuss on the how to create the UI, all this stuff. So this is the best, like this is the basic structure of the HTML. So if you went for any kind of the, if you are like a learner and if you looking for the job, so they will ask definitely what are the what are the HTML tags, basic HTML tags, and what is the structure of HTML element. So you can explain like the HTML contains like tags. It contains the tags including the main is a HTML tag. Second, you can add a title, header, and after that body. Okay, so they will again ask what is use of title. So you have to tell if you want to change the tab name, that time we are using the title. Here in the head section, if you want to declare any kind of script style or any other stuff, so which is not including the body, so we can add in the head sections. And body section, if you want to write something in this white or blank area, so we can write. If you are using any script file, okay, so we are not as of now. So later we will tell you how and where to use and how to use from our other file to in this section. So now I am going to tell you like a basic in the body. Okay, so directly we can write. So later we can add in the another tags, and we can show you. Okay, now I'm going to tell you directly writing right in the body section. So this is my first example. Now we going to save and just try to write. So as you see in the screen, the name is reflected as this is my first name and this is my first name. So this is the main like structure, right? So now I will show you different kind of the tag is available, okay, in the different type of tags, how designing and how like it will be get more impact on other websites. So you can see in one by one. So as you see in the screen, these are the just main basic and important tag of the HTML, right? Ping me if you have like any kind of the questions on that, or you can comment on the like down of the video.